Ilomtos donu kere kotoma napeta nuda dao buke dia da golo kinido kotoma apu kono radu kena ara ya tegena radu na ade ya pesi nuki temalu tetakalu pacha takuni buke dia yora sino nuda aja silajo temulo male esida balara kolebe
koma lipne je Ikontraktas aswamu na pana iworo je ngoda pero ngoda igura singe apero ngoda iguri ngaroi abuko no kinete so akale pane je Ikontraktas itunga no kwa malera dano tingute tengeke daka so nebe kina bera swamu onyara unete kesida ijenji soma itwene na leo project e pupete kesi because project ni small
nodabu aradisi murani muluga para nangin nyezido we tacha wabalabe apugani tosomairo kapunkelui puro noi nyese kapakena ngarakin kai tatena wailo kai shomwana kwapuno Uganda konyi kwenyati kerbe kapunu apugani keside rasi lude koto eki tosomaya jok ara imam potedo lui ting tosi kapunulu ai chake muneko.
And you directed leaders, we are challenged.
Yeah, very happy.
Because people have not come here to watch World Cup. They have come to see groundbreaking of a facility that will supervise the teaching and learning in their schools, that will supervise the health centers in their schools, that will supervise the water sources. Sindio? Yes. But if you do a bad job, these people will tell me, and I'll tell you what to do to that chairman. If he allows Oburu Enterprises to mix sand, which is not acceptable. Are you getting me? And when you see him bringing stones, which are like a porridge, you break.
Yeah.
Immediately, you tell the engineer to tell the man to stop.
Ejadongunda Joseph Mailem, Apole Cholong, LC3 Alajo Malera. Yezide yachi de lakrado anubera nyunebe agierdo bera Bokare Foundation.
I'm applauding the NRM government for considering those administrative units which were created of recent. Here, when you come here, Malera, you will get us on the squatters, the other side of the center, on rents. And on that, on the smooth running of the sub-county with a lot of costs, you cannot deliver much.
Uda jasa lakara kesi nedrosa umishodo nude nyalal kalailo Malera.
Ole ngai alama Malera adumun adu kelet na itetet.
Heavy right oppose TV East Kobukedia district.
Agero sajo kisho.